Alright guys, we are in the outdoors and I received a package. I can't believe it's here. It's the WWE World Heavyweight Title Belt. I've always wanted one of these since I was a little kid. I'm just holding one for the first time. And I got this for my 19th birthday. Yeah, I know I'm 19. I'm always gonna be a kid and love wrestling, so let's unbox this. So exciting. It's like Christmas. We got our handy dandy safety scissors, don't want to hurt ourselves. And this is the second unboxing video on my channel. So I'm not really good at unboxings. So let's just do this. Like, I can't stop smiling. This is so exciting. And there's a freaking bug. Oh my fucking. Alright, let's see. Oh my god. This is the moment of truth. And I didn't just freaking get this. I freaking earned it. You know how I earned it? Because I beat the best of the best. I beat Brock Lesnar. I beat freaking Seth Rollins. I beat freaking everybody. I didn't just get this title, I freaking earned it. I beat everybody in the freaking damn roster. You can name everybody. Rusev, Dolph Ziggler, freaking John Cena. Because I'm the man. And I earned this freaking title belt. And I can't believe it's here. Holy shit. Alright, all this shit. Here it is. Oh my god. Put this box away. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. I know it's not the title, but it's the case, but still, look at it. Oh my god, it looks so freaking big. That's what she said already. Alright, let's get a better view so I can, like, unwrap this. Look at this. Let's now unzip this, because this is just the cover. Here it is. Done. Dun 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 dun. I've been waiting freaking 19 years to get one of these, and now it's finally here. Oh my god. Oh, there's extra jewels in here, just in case they have any fallout. And freaking whatever this shit, don't eat it. Alright, here we go. I'm not showing you guys the front because, well, if I can get this shit out first. Hold on. Oh my god, this is so exciting. This is so exciting. I can't believe it's finally here. I am your new WWE World Heavyweight Champion, ladies and gentlemen. Splits is your new heavyweight champion, just saying. Alright, here we go. Here's the back. No one gives a shit about the back. Here's the front. Oh my god, this is so fucking beautiful. Holy shit, this is so fucking nice. Oh my god, this is so fucking nice. Let me take out the plastic. Let me get you guys a better view. Hold on. Look how nice this is. Holy shit. And I can get this wrapping thing out of here. Here we go. Now about the wrapping. Oh my god. Oh shit. Look at this title. Finally, I freaking unwrapped the freaking thing. But look at this title. Holy shit. Look at this title. Oh my god. I'll show you guys the whole thing. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, I am your new WWE champion. Has this little thingy. There we go. I am your new WWE World Heavyweight Champion. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Once again, the world heavyweight champion. Look how sexy this fucking thing is. Look how sexy this is. Alright, now I'll show you guys the back. Here it is. It has the official, authentic thingy to show that it's the real thing. This is the real deal. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Like, you guys should see this in real life. Like, holy crap, it's so beautiful. This is so perfect. I'm so happy. It's finally here. I'm just gonna say this once again. Oh my god, look how fucking sexy this is. I wanna have sex with it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.